The first step in the installation process is to decide where the Combimate should be located. The unit should be fitted on the cold water supply in a position where it's easily accessible. It's important that the unit is located a minimum of 450 mm from any local heat source. This is to prevent water in the dome from warming and accelerating the rate of dissolution of the Combifos. When choosing the location of the Combimate, ensure that the mounting wall is flat, since an uneven wall surface may prevent the Combimate cover from fitting correctly. It's recommended that the pipes are attached to the wall securely, using fixings such as Talon pipe clips. Next, decide on whether the Combimate will be used for a complete system protection or to serve just a single appliance. For a complete system protection, the white mesh divider tray, which is located inside the dome, must be removed. For single appliance protection, the divider tray must remain in place. Now depress the two red buttons located on either side of the cover and pull the cover away from the unit. Then remove the red filler plug from the top of the dome using the spanner provided. For complete system protection, where it's necessary to remove the divider tray, undo and remove the aluminium ring, and then ease the translucent dome away from the base section, noting the location of the large O-ring seal on the inside ledge of the base. With the dome removed, it's now possible to remove the divider tray if required. To refit the dome, first take care to ensure that the ledge of the O-ring is clean and free from any debris. Now fit the O-ring seal in place. It's important that the O-ring sits on the recessed ledge inside the white base unit. It does not fit over the dome. Now the clear dome cover can be replaced, but take care to ensure that the locating lugs line up and the dome is pressed fully home. Next, secure and tighten the aluminium ring in a clockwise direction, but be careful as this metal ring only requires hand pressure to form a watertight seal. The Combimate is now ready to be fixed to the pipework and the wall. Make sure that the Combimate and pipework is level. Then mark where holes need to be drilled in the wall. Once marked, drill the holes and put in place the screw plugs. Now, offer the Combimate to the wall and attach using screws. Next, connect the pipework. It's important to remember that when tightening the compression fittings, it's essential to hold the inner nut with a second spanner. This will help to prevent damage to the Combimate through over-tightening the compression fitting thread, which enters the plastic body. It's paramount that any pipework that needs to be prepared is done so away from the installation area, so that any debris created or solder flux used does not affect the system. Once connected, the Combimate can now be filled with Combifos spheres. Simply pour them through the hole in the top of the dome and loosely refit the red filler plug. It's now important to ensure that all air is bled from the Combimate. To do this, open an outlet downstream of the Combimate and turn on the water supply. Just a low flow is adequate. Next, gently press on the black isolation levers located either side of the dome to allow water to enter the Combimate and expel any trapped air. Release the levers before water spills out of the filler hole. It's now time to tighten the filler plug using the spanner provided. Turn on the water supply and then slide the retaining hook onto the outer cover and refit the cover onto the base, ensuring that it clicks into place. This will automatically engage the water supply. The final step is to check the system for any leaks. Once checked, hang the user card and spanner onto the retaining hook. Your Combimate is now ready for use.